The Biden administration is trying to decide whether to declare monkeypox a public health emergency as the World Health Organization is sounding the alarm.
Well, across the globe, there are more than 16,000 reported cases right now though health officials believe that number is likely higher than it actually is. ABC's M. Nguyen has the latest from Washington.
Monkeypox, now a global health emergency. The World Health Organization declaring the disease of international concern as cases surge in at least 75 countries.
There are many ways to get monkeypox via close interactions with people that are not intimate.
It's a stark warning for the U.S. to quickly contain the outbreak as the nation closes in on 3,000 cases, 2 of them children, whose cases traced back to men who have sex with men, suggesting household transmission. Will Hutchison was diagnosed with monkeypox 2 weeks ago.
I got chills, I had a lot of aches, and I also had a super low-grade fever.
Along with those symptoms, blisters can also appear on the face, inside the mouth, and on other parts of the body.
Not only do they look very scary, but they're very painful too.
Most of the cases so far have primarily been seen in men who have sex with men, but health officials stress anyone is at risk of exposure through close contact. The CDC warning that transmission can also occur through contaminated clothing and bedding. Now the Biden administration is discussing whether to declare an emergency in the U.S. Dr. Ashish Jha on CBS's Face the Nation.
We have ramped up vaccinations, ramped up treatments, ramped up testing, and we're going to continue to look at all sort of policy options.
The White House has already ordered 5 million doses of the monkeypox vaccine, and they expect to have 7 million doses by mid-2023. But some officials say they still don't have enough vaccines to meet demand.
My expectation is that in the days and weeks ahead, we're going to be able to get more and more data from states, and that will help us understand the national picture a bit more in a bit more detail.
The monkeypox outbreak is the 7th event declared a global public health emergency by the WHO in the last decade and a half. M. Nguyen, ABC News, Washington.
Well, right now there are more than 2,800 monkeypox cases here in the U.S. So far, no one has died from that virus.